Honorable members,
thutha wa kunyururio na kuhamurithio kuma mbunge-ini ciumia igiri hituku, kamiti ya hamwe ya wonjoria na urimi na iria irathuthuria gukorwo gwa cukari utakinyaniirie ikiro bururi-ini ni cokereirie uthuthuria ucio muthi kuria cemanirie na maabitha nene ya ruhonge rwa kuramata wuigiririki wa indo bururi-ini KEBS kuria cemanirie na maabitha nene ya ruhonge rwa kuramata wuigiririki wa indo bururi-ini. KEBS igitanywo kurekereria maumirira ma uthuthuria wa cukari uria marogotete kuma kaunti itiganite kuria mahithuritie ati muigana wa gunia 837 cia cukari ndwakinyaniirie ikiro ari gunia milioni 1.3 cia cukari uria marikitie guthuthuria.
KEBS detected copper in 2 samples which had been drawn from Hatiri and one detained at the DCI headquarters.
They also failed, and the failures were in moisture content, polarization, total viable count, yeasts and molds. There was sugar that was marked Brazilian raw sugar, not safe for human consumption. This product, when tested, it failed to meet the standard in color and total viable count.
so you are saying all the sugar, honorable members, so all the sugar that was seized from Diamond wholesalers, all of it failed.
They failed to meet the standards, yes.
Uthuthuria ningi ni utabanitio kaunti-ini 17 hari kaunti 40 iria KEBS irikitie kurogota cukari kuma matuka-ini ngurani. Wakuhahura ukionania akenya makoretwo makienderio cukari utakinyaniirie ikiro kaunti-ini itiganite. Ona gutuika ni mahithuritie gutire cukari unyitikanite gukorwo na thumu muthemba wa mercury uria kwerikanite.
The 1.2 million bags did not show traces of heavy metals.
Kaunti cia Kiambu, Nyeri na Nairobi, Mombasa na Kwale na imwe cia iria cukari uria uthuthuritio wagite gukinyaniirie ikiro iria ciagiriire. Guku KEBS ikirigirirwo kurekereria riboti ya muthia wona marikiririe uthuthuria uria makoretwo magitabania muthia-ini wa kiumia. Kuringana na KEBS, umwe wa cukari uyu warehirwo guku bururi-ini utambite gutherio. Noguo no wagirire angikorwo ni ukwamba gutherio utanenderio muingi undu uria matigire handu-ini haceke thutha wa ambunge kumathingata gutariria makiria.
We were mandated and we want the correct position. If the sugar does not meet the standards, what do you do? That is the simple question we're asking you.
Long before this committee was joint committee was formed for the investigations. Kama ni baya, ni baya. A product has failed the standard, then there is no other one to describe it as failed.
Muthenya wa rucio kamiti ya mwanya iria yobirwo kuhurana na indo cia ngungo bururi-ini niyo irigirirwo gwikinya mbere ya kamiti ino. Makiria niguo gutariria makinya maria megutacukiria cukari uria uthiite na mbere gukorwo hithukitio. Riboti ya gukorwo gwa cukari utakinyaniirie ikiro matuka-ini ugithie na mbere gutiga akenya na haho nyingi. Uhoro makiria wigi uthuthuria uria ukoretwo gitabanio ni ruhonge rwa KEBS wigi cukari uria uthiite na mbere gukorwo ukihithukio. Birigirirwo gukurikana na njira nginyaniru gatano ga kiumia giki. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, jitagwo Mwaura wa Gunya.